is gonna be the best migration ever. I'm telling you, I'll show you all my favorite watering holes. You know, I turn brown when the fungus in my fur dries out.
That sounds very attractive.
You know, this whole ice age thing's getting old. You know what I could go for? Global warming.
I keep dreaming.
No, really?
Well, that's it. The big wrap-up, the happy ending, the grand finale is over already. Well, but that's the thing about endings. They come at the end. Oh, can we watch it again? But we just saw it. Maybe tomorrow.
Hey, what are you guys doing? You didn't tell me you were watching the movie. I want to watch too.
Ma, we just finished.
Well, you're just going to have to rewind it.
Ma!
Uncle Max, we're going to watch the movie.
Oh, no.
Hey, I brought extra butter!
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me. Get out of the way. Who is this crowd? Hey, now I'm in front. Oh. Watch it. Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
Timon, I still don't do so well in crowds.
You know, it's a great art.
Excuse me, sir? You folks have to leave.
What? Say that again, if you dare.
You folks have to leave.
Assistant manager isn't all it's cracked up to be. Four years of film school for this?
What do you say? It's happy ending time. Everybody's got a little taste of something, but me, I got nothing. I'm here with nothing. Anybody listening? It's like, what am I, an echo or something? Hello? Hello? Am I talking to what? Hyperspace? Hello, it's me. Nobody listens.
What the fuck is that?
Awesome!
What?
Hi! Movie's over. Go home!